Welcome back to my channel. You are watching Rishika's Great Ideas. So today we are going to do an experiment on exploring air and air pressure. But first, if you are not subscribed and like my channel, so please subscribe and like my channel. Let's go. I will tell you the aim of the experiment. So the aim of the experiment is exploring air and air exerts pressure. So the material that will be required are 3 bottles of any size, but remember that 2 of them should be very hard and 1 of them should be light. And you will require some water and a balloon filled with water and so many balloons. As the balloon may inflate, so another balloon you can inflate. So can you see in this bottle that a balloon is inside? Can you guess how is the balloon inside? No. So let's get answer of this puzzle. So let me try. And the balloon inside this is filled with water. So this is a balloon with water. Let me try to fix this inside. Can I fix it? No, I can't fix it. And if I fix a balloon inside this, so let's try to blow this. Oh no, I can't blow this balloon. But if I take this one and try to blow this. Look, magic. The balloon is blown. Can you guess how the balloon is blown? And now the balloon is flat. Have a look. So I will tell you how the balloon is inflated. There is a little hole. That hole helps the air inside the bottle to get outside. This is the procedure that a hard bottle should have a little hole anywhere and the air inside the bottle get rushed out of the bottle. So that's why the balloon is inflated. When the balloon is going down and down, the air is getting out of the hole and the balloon is inflated. So this is all about air. According to science, the air is a matter of exerting pressure. So here I will show you how. Here is the Lightman bottle which one balloon was not even inflated. So if I blow this, look. Can you look that the bottle is run away because the air inside this bottle come out from the hole very pressurely and push the bottle off the table. So this is the air pressure. If I blow this balloon, and hold up at the hole, the balloon is at a place because air inside the bottle is holding the balloon. Now I am going to put water inside this. Here I put the water inside this. Get the water inside. Now very careful part. Just carefully take off this, tie the balloon, and now I am leaving it down. Look, the puzzle is solved. Here's the balloon inside the bottle. So the observation was that air exerts pressure which helps us to put the balloon inside the water. And the conclusion is that air exerts pressure. Air is the matter which occupies space, and air is a very funny thing. We can do many experiments with it, and the air helps us to put the balloon inside the bottle. Thanks for watching my video. I will be coming very soon with my new video. Bye bye.